Good morning, and today is December 1st, 2023. It's the very first day of the December, the last month of the year, 2023. So time is flying, right? All right, and we are in the first 21 minutes into this trading day today, and today is open at 455.76, which is lower than yesterday close. Yesterday close is close as 456.31, so it's about let me see, 31.5. So it's about 55 cents below yesterday close, 55 cents. Right, you see it's close right there. So about 55 cents below. Yeah, right there. 58, 55. All right, there's one interesting we see, right? Let's look. This is the London low, London high and low. So we see that the London high take out the Friday high, and then in the New York pre-market is got sell off and it take London low. So how do we construct a trade right here? Right now we incorporate the RSIs, we give out the momentum shift, which is very helpful for us when we try to do momentum shift trading, which is total shift right for breakout. So how do we know this level is gonna be shift, right? It level gonna be a real breakout for breakout. This potential. No, this not, because we haven't seen the momentum diversity. But this one can be a candidate, right? Because you see, it diverges with the RSI. The price go low, but the RSI go up. So it can be a candidate right there. Right, you can use this as a candidate, but you don't have anything to do with stop loss, right? You don't have any point before to do stop loss. So let's skip that, but right here, you choose this level, or this level is perfect, because the diversion right there, the price go down, but the RSI is raising up right there. So this level is the perfect level right there. So we can put a buy stop right here when it go down there, and our stop loss gonna be right at the level, or just below this level at 455.18 right there. So we have a very beautiful setup, and the target for this long setup, we're gonna pick the London low. You see London low right there? Let's mark this one. The low of this one is 56.13 right there, 56.13, right? That's the London low. So if we construct this trade, right, we go in right here, how much will reach? 12 cents, very low risk right there, right? Our idea that we're going to find a so-called low risk idea, 12 cents, and then our target is London low. We get out of there. So 12 cents, you get 83. I think it's so 12 times 6, 72. Yeah, times 7, 14. Yeah, go with 6, right? 1 to 6 risk reward ratio right there. Very good risk reward ratio right there. a perfect trade first. So when we see this, then we can put right there. We can either go in here or go in here. Perfect. I think it's going here. 35 right there. So let document this trade. Right, we document this trade is a turtle soup long setup. And this one we have to have a condition. Now we know how to quantify the momentum shift, right? Before this, we just use our eyeball to determine whether you know the momentum is gonna shift, right, or it's gonna reverse. That's not right yet. But now we have a very quantified objective indicator. So it will not based on our subjective emotion right there. So we have other eyesight diversion right there. So you see, you keep diversion right there. And it's perfect right here when we identify this level. That's the condition for it right there. And then as soon as we identify the level, we put a buy stop order in at 455.31. So like we discussed before, right? It can be this at level also. But the reason we choose this level because it gives us the reference for stop loss. Right here, if we choose the level, we don't have the reference loss. We either choose the level right here, we have a reference stop loss. We can choose right here if we want to, right? But we don't trade in pre-market. But if we trade market, we can try right here, and we fail, right? We can try right here also. So I mean, the identified level right now is still an arc right now. It's not a exactly sign right now. So that's we're still working our way into building our system. But so far we find a way to quantify the momentum shift, right? That's another factor that helps us to solidify our system right there. Okay, so the stop loss right here, and we reached only 12 cents, right? We build our stop loss, and we got 83. Hold on, let me copy this. We want to turn this on so we can see the risk and to reward ratio right there. By the way, today is Friday, and normally, normally I mean maybe 80% of Friday at the end of the week, so it's very light volume, except that some instant the Friday is really rally or sell off because it's anticipate an event happen. No one want to help to hold the position overnight, so they dump it, or they anticipate that next week gonna be a positive news, so they buy over the weekend. But other than that, normally Friday is live volume and it's slow. Wow, look at that. Look at that wick right there. Yes, so at least we have a rich reward ratio. I think that here is beautiful either. Yeah, the key lesson learned for this week that we find a way to to quantify, right, our momentum shift, because we want to trade a turtle soup successfully. Basically, it's a fall breakout. Basically, it's a reversal, right? Reversal pattern, retracement or reversal. Either of them, right? We want to capture that move. Sometimes if like a reversal, I mean a retracement or pullback, then we have to capture our profit quick and get out of there, because sometimes it's not the retracement is not turned into reversal, so you got to get out. And when it turns to reversal, then we can let the profit run. But if it's not, then we take a quick profit, or at least we move stop loss to break even. But this week we try to incorporate the RSI, which is relative strength index. It helps us to quantify our condition or entry right there. Excuses. Yep, so we have it right there, our target. So yeah, we can see the risk reward ratio right there. That's beautiful right there. And the entry time is 9:35. We try to capture the entry times, because that give us another factor to take into consideration when we build our trading system. Is that the time of the day can be a very key factor right there. So it's a turtle soup long setup. We are in December now, 2023, and it's a Friday, and entry time is 09:35. Perfect. Wow, look at that. If we let this profit run, you know, you never know. That's the beautiful about trading. It's so much uncertainty, so we have to welcome uncertainties, and we feel the uncertainty and leave the uncertainty, then we will no longer feel frustrated or anything. That's part of life, part of trading. We try not to resist it, try not to take the control. But we cannot control the outcome. We cannot control the market. The quicker, the more we realize that in our subconscious level, the better for us right there, for our mental game right there. So the trading is so much about psychology. And at first we thought that's that's a joke, but now we really learn. We see that, we look deep inside ourselves, and we see the thing that unconscious control us, and we're not even aware because it's unconscious. But when we do the live trading, when the money involved, then those stuff is jump out from nowhere. So if we are let the profit run, they can go to what? But what is the level? Oh, we don't see it here, right? But if we the high a private day, if we are so it's I see the London low, or which is the Friday close also 31, right? The London low, hold on, is the London low 31? Oh, London one at 13. So 18 cents above. So it's okay. Sometimes we can leave the profits on the table. So let's say if we put all the way here, then our profit gonna be $1.18. It's like 10R right there. I don't know, 13R. Yeah, huge. But anyway, let's move out of this real quick. We want to look at the 1 hour time frame. Do we have 1 hour time frame? Okay, let's look at the 1 hour time frame. Give us some idea. That is the market structure still intact, right? We have uptrend right here, right? So the market uptrend. So we want that all the lower low gonna be hold, right? You don't want to break, right? That's the characteristic of the trend, right? Uptrend you want all the lower low is hold, right? You don't want it to make a lower low, you want it to make a higher low, so it should go up. But when the market go down, vice versa, we don't want it to make a higher low, we want it to make a lower high, low high. In this case, we see that there may be a market structure shift out here. You see that this low was taken out, and this lower low right there. So there may be a market structure shift right here, right? It make a lower low. However, we want another low right here to confirm that. Otherwise, it's just a retracement before it continue or resume the uptrend right there. So we are still not sure right now. But in terms of the least resistant path, then we'll assume that the uptrend is still intact, right? Even though there are a little bit market structure shift right here, but there's no confirmation, then we take the least resistant path, which is assume that the uptrend is still intact. So we trade into that trend right there until we see the confirmation. Then we can follow the trend. So trend follower is much easier because they say 85% you will be, the win rate is 85% if we do, or vice versa. Now there are statistics, but it's just a popular. We don't see any number at all. That whether they say that the market is 85% of the time the market is in a range. Basically is in the consolidation, it range bound market, and only 15 or 10 to 15% is the market trending, either shoot up or or shoot down. So yes, so right here, we see the market structure shift right here, right? But we don't have a confirmation. Make a lower low right here. But we do see this trend right here. the range from July to September right there. So that's the range that, for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, last 8 days is just within this range. Today is Friday, right? And the buyer decided, they're gonna go buy on Friday above this range, so that it will be a very solid and strong, bullish signal right there. You see it right now is above this level. So that's the wonderful news for the buyer, for anyone to go long. Like we say before, right? We want to take the least resistant path, which is in this case is the motion already set in play, which is uptrend. So we don't want to trade again that momentum right there, unless it shift. Right here you have a little bit signal shift, but it doesn't provide any confirmation, which is even another lower low right here. Then we know that we can confident or convince, or you have conviction to go short. So let's see from October 14. Yeah, from the October 10, we receive a signal or the indicator that the market gonna go up. But we didn't take the action. That's 8 November. What the open of this? Yeah, let's say at 10, right? The open 435.8. No, 435.80. Oh, sorry. We do the wrong two right there. Okay, so from November 10. Yeah, look at the price. November 10. So basically November 10 is about 3 weeks ago. And look how much the price jumped. So the price run at this much. A $20 move. for 7.3% right there. Look at that. November 10, which is a Monday. Yep. Let's make it into the middle. Right there. Yeah, very interesting to see how it goes, right? One of the key level we watch is this level, the July right there. You see if this Friday, if glow above or below, you see just minutes ago we thought it's gonna be boom going up, but now going down. Wow, the sell-off starting, beginning, right? Oh, it go all the way up here. Yeah, when you see the momentum up here, then it's better forget to get out. Because remember, it's overbought. You know, the momentum is gonna sit. You see right here, you get out. That gives us another idea that we should get out if we are go long. So the RSI help us a lot to quantify our entry and exit right there. Yeah, lead level is key level for this week. If it break, then December gonna be another up close month, right? But if it not gonna close close above this level, then we may look for opportunity to go short. By the way, if we look on the smart money divergence technique, right, we have the QQQ and the SPY. We can see that the QQQ make a higher low, right, but the SPY make a higher high. See that? So that's a diversion right there. So which just means that the SPY take the buy side liquidity and it's gonna go down. That's our interpretation right there, but let's see. Anything can happen. We have a bias, but we don't manage to our bias right there because we don't try to be right? We just try to identify a low risk, basically low risk and high reward, and we just execute. And if our bias, our opinion turn out to be wrong, then we do need to switch side. If someone said that we have to empty our mind and let the market guide it, so we just remove any bias and let the market guide it. But the trick does we don't trade the market. We trade what our belief for the market. So we have the work to do. We have to work on our belief. Right? It's one of belief is right here, the RSI. We believe the RSI can give us some information to make decision on our entry and exit. So basically everything we do in trading is based on our belief. So we have a PMI 945, I think already passed. Construction spending at 10, I think it already passed also. Let's see what we see from here. Let's see what happened to our 5-minute time frame. So on Tuesday, on Wednesday, it started our move, right? And then let's see it's gonna retest the open level at 456.76. No, 455.76. But today is open at 455.76. 455.76. Not 56, 455. Wow, it really revisit a level right there. Wow. And targets the London low hit at 9:45. So for that trade, we go in at 9:35. Wow, only 10 minutes. Beautiful. Only 10 minutes we got. For 56.30, and the risk reward ratio first. L1 to 6. Yeah, 6R right there. It's a perfect trade. Well, we see this close below this level. The open at 455.76. In this case, the momentum of there's no diversion at all. It's in sync with the RSI, so it's very hard to go in here, right? To short them. But let's say we go here. If we base on RSI, we're not gonna go short because we don't see the diversion. But let's say we take a channel right here. So what is the high of this one? 456.75. Then let's see how much we reach. It is a low reach, right? 75. Then our risk is gonna be up here. With 38 cents. Okay, and then our target gonna be yeah, 36. It's not 1 to 3, but it's almost 1 to 3, risk to reward ratio right there. It's 1 to 2, so if we want, you can do that. It's, almost 1 to 3, right? So at least we know that in this case we don't have the RSI diversion. $38. So if you times 2 will be 76. It's roughly, it's more than 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. But if we want to do, like we base on our RSI, right, when we see that over here, yeah. Over here, then we will get out. We don't get out here. We get out when it hit, the RSI, the lower band, the RSI 30, right there. Then we can get out. That means that we can get out. Yep. What is this level? 55.46. Is that right? Now let's see. I think we messed it up a little bit. 49, not 46. Yeah, we look at the screenshot. Yeah, it can be a lead level, which is 1 to 3 ratio right there. You know, pay attention to the RSI right there. You see that? Wow. Keep in mind, we try to build our system very simple. Keep it simple. That's the idea. We don't want to add too many things. Yeah, but the trick that, you know, we want to keep simple, so easy to trade, but at the same time it must be a positive expectancy system, right? That means we trade in the long run, we will get profits. So basically we have another trade right here with stop loss. So we either go in right here, 1008, yeah, the better right there, 1008. So we have a total long setup, and this is total short setup. And it makes sense because on Friday the market tend to be range barrel, right? So we can trade both, you know, in both end of the range, right? Or the band, what they have another name called band trading or range barrel trading. Okay, so we have the total short setup. And in this case, the RSI is not diversion, but it how do we word not diversion, but above 70 right there. So when we short, we make sure that those two conditions is either diversion or you have to be above, and we identify the breakout level right there, and then we put a buy stop in when it's above that level at 456.75. Then target 1 is at 455.76, which is 0930, right? Target 2 let's put the hyphen in at 455.49. So our risk reward gonna be 0.38 cents. We either get $1.26. We have two targets, right? I think that the other one is 90 something cent. I forgot. I think 98 cent. So it's a 1, 2, 3. Let's go 1, 2, 3, right? Yeah, 40. Yeah, 1 to 2 is reward ratio. And this one is 1 to 2. Risk to reward ratio, or vice versa, they call reward to risk ratio. And entry time is 10:08. X6 when RSI hit 30. So basically we capture this run down right there, move down there. Yep. This one is 10:08. And what is our X6? X6 at 10:29. Two very short trade there. We make first one we make 3R, and this one we make another 3R. So 6R right away right there. Beautiful. The challenge for us is how do we trade in the real? I mean, how do we? Now, right now we are cut back test, right? How do we trade in the real time? The answer is just keep practicing, right? We will get there. We will get there one way or another. It takes time. We build our skill set through practice, through trial and errors. That's the way. So 10:30. 10:30. And reward ratio is 1 to 3. So we'll have 6R. Oh man, it will trade right here with 6R. When 3R, it will let it run up there. We have 6R right there. Just notice that it's trapped the buy side liquidity right here. It trapped it. It did not trade it. So let's see. This move will rate it or not. Let's see. At the same time, we also trapped the sell side liquidity right here. You remember this level right there? So let's see. So it's going to the rainbow right now. So if we are good with the 2 trade, I think we should done for today. I mean, the first hour we make 9R or at least 6R right there. Let's say 1R is 1% of our account, so we have 6% just for one day, 6%. If you put your money into the bank account, they pay you 6% for the whole year. But here it's just one day and just for 1 hour. So that's an idea right there, right? Our trade objective is we're gonna if you read the book of Van Top right there, he gives an idea of financial freedom, the idea that we turn trading into a passive income. A source of passive income, and it takes time. I think the number he gave out is about 5 to 7 years for the average person to turn trading into their passive income. So it takes 5 to 7 years for the average person, okay? But if someone, they're good at this, they're born with a so-called right, psychological makeup, then they can pick it fast. Maybe just the first year they can do it. But for the average, normal people, I mean, we consider ourselves as normal, so it may take us from 5 to 6 years, 5 to 7 years. We will give you that number. I think he say you see it barely above this level. So it's a 4 breakout level, right? It's good. It's whole. In this case, $9.45. That X6 time. Okay, 9.45 right here. And the target. What are the target? We want the yesterday high. Wow, that's around there. Yesterday high right there. That's the breakout level. 556.76. $6.76. Okay, at what time this target hit the Friday high, right? 75, 76 right here. Exactly at this candle. 10:02. Let's see this level. We have a very interesting level right here. I think this is the today range right here. These two level. the total sub level or four breaks or breakout level right there. Yep. From 455 from 455.31 to 456.75. So it's a $1.44 right there. $1.44. Exactly, turn, yes. Yeah, exactly the range right there. That's the range for today right there. This one a little bit cooked. So far we have two beautiful trades set up. Right here the long setup. This is a level to entry, and the short up is a level entry. For this one we have the RSI diversion, right? Diversion if we compare from this level, but if we compare from this level, it's not diversion neither. You see that? So we have to drag down here. But for the short right here, we don't have a diversion, but we have the above 70 RSI level. So we just take a chance right here, put our sell stuff. Then we reach 38 cents, and we're gonna get $1.26, which is 3R right there. Okay, let's delete all of this because we want to look at the 1 hour time frame. To see on the high time frame, what do we see differently? Okay, wow, it's sweet. You see, it's supposed to go down and now go up again. Very interesting. So basically, it refuses to go down. If what let's see what the DR model say. So we are like we alluded before. That this level is key. Breakout level July 17 this year is the key level. If the very first day of December we see that it's breakout at that level and hold with that level, then I believe we have a huge momentum to go up. Okay, that's an idea. Right, if we look at the Let's look at the weekly time frame. Yeah, this is the whole over right now. So you see, that's the hue up here. It's almost catch the high of the year today. Let's see the December we make the high of the year, or it's gonna be below or the high of the year that make in January, right? January. I'm sorry. This is the all-time high right here from 2022. Yeah, January 2022. Hold on. Let's zoom back a little bit. So we have, oh, I see right here. So, okay, 2022. Okay. Okay, I see. Yeah, so this all-time high right there. 70, and that's what this one? 74. Okay, just short of $5 different right there. But the momentum to uptrend, I think, is so huge right now. You see like that. It's just the final of the final one of the year, but it keeps the momentum go up. Yeah. Yep, we see that level already. If we close above that level July, then perfect. But we already see it punch through this this high level right there, 51 and July 24. So basically, it look bullish from the weekly. Yeah, so it's at this level right there. We're not gonna short them, right? Because it not hit over the RSI 70s. But if we can put a level right here. That's a fall breakout. Yeah, let's try that level. 50. But if we do this, we have 56 for 56.32. If we do this, then we have to be very quick to move our, because it's not a very good, not a very high level, high probability setup right there. But anyway, we run out of time. Our goal is just keep 1 hour a day. We gotta go now, and we're always thankful or grateful for this opportunity. Thank you for your time and interest, and it's said that if we do what we love, then success will come to us. Success will come to our way, effortlessly and easily. Do what we love, right? We're grateful for the opportunity. Do what we love. Talk to you later, and bye for now.